I'm Natalia and welcome to another beads jar review. And today the product that I'm going to be looking at for you are the Beadsmith Big Eye beading needles. Now these come in a set and we have 4 of these, and as you can see, when we bend them, you can see the eye is absolutely huge. Now comparing that to your normal beading needles, these are a lot easier. And if I take some fireline, let me just grab my reel of fireline here, find the end of it, and just try and thread the needle. It is super easy. So you'll just take your fireline, pop it through there, any beading threads, beading wire if you wanted to use that as well, and then away you go. So these are super fine needles. They are obviously a lot longer than the average needle. So if you're doing a lot of very close, fine work, they're probably not the best needle to use, but if you're wanting to thread on a long row of beads, they're absolutely excellent for that. If you have any problems trying to find the eye of your needle, if magnifying lamps don't work, or you find yourself getting really frustrated when you're threading your needles, then these are absolutely the perfect addition to your set of beading tools. So as I said, you get 4 of them in this pack, and they're very easy to open out. You just literally pinch them with a nail and you can open them up and pop your thread into them there. And if one of them gets bent, then just use your nylon jaw pliers to straighten them. And you've got others in the pack as well that you can use if any of them get damaged. So I personally really love them for being able to use if I'm making tassels, because I want a really long row of beads. And also, if I'm just working and my eyes are feeling a little bit tired and I just don't want to be sitting trying to thread this microscopic needle hole, then these are the perfect needles for you. So I hope you enjoy looking at these. I hope you'll give them a look on our website. If you look in the show more section of the video, you'll see the link to pop over to our website and find out more about these. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like and comment on this video if you've enjoyed it, and so that you don't miss out on any other reviews and tutorials that we offer. Bye for now.